Good day, children. Welcome to Basic 3 Civic Education. My name is Obike Mata, and our topic today is difference between national symbols and other symbols. Difference between national symbols and other symbols. What is national symbols? National symbols are those symbols that show that we are member of one country. National symbols are those symbols that show that we are member of one country. Those symbols that show that you are member of a country is called national symbols. Then we'll look at the first 3 important national symbols. There are still other ones. We'll look at them. The first one is the Nigerian flag, the national flag. As you can see the picture on the board, the national flag has 2 colors. The national flag has 2 colors, green and white. Green stands for agriculture and white stands for peace. The second one is the national anthem. The national anthem embodies 3 things. The first one, appeal to sense of patriotism. The second one, appeals to sense of identity. And the last one, appeals to sense of unity. That is what national anthem shows. Then the last one is the national coat of arms. The national coat of arms, as you can see the picture on the board, you find out that there is eagle there. We have 2 horses and also with black color. The eagle in the Nigerian coat of arms stands for strength. The eagle in the Nigerian coat of arms stands for strength. The 2 horses stand for Nigeria. The black color stands for fertile soil of Nigeria. Why? Stands for River Niger and River Benue. The flowers stands for the beautification of the country. And the motto is unity and faith, peace and progress. Then it will lead us to another one, other symbols. Other symbols, because we are looking at national symbols and other symbols. The first one is the national currency. The national currency. Children, look at this. This 1,000 naira. We have 500 naira notes. We have 200 naira notes. As you can see, these 200 naira notes. We have 100 naira notes. We have 20 naira notes, and the last one is 10 naira. This is currency. Nigeria use all these currencies. Then the next one is the national passport. The national passport. Then the next symbol is the Nigerian constitution. The Nigerian constitution. And we are using the current constitution we are using is the 1999 presidential constitution. Children, the current constitution that we are using is the 1999 presidential constitution. Then the next one is the religious symbols. When you go to church, you find out that there is a symbol of cross sign. That symbol to show that it shows that that place is what? Is a church. We also have symbols of the highway codes. Symbols of the highway codes. Sometimes you see this. You see this particular thing. They will write stop. Yes. Then there are some other symbols of the highway codes. You will also see something like this. 80. That's the limit speed for the road users. The limit speed. And we also have symbols of traditional and cultural leaders. Note that these symbols do not apply for everybody. Like the religious symbols is for people that go to church. It's not for everybody. Then the symbols of the highway is for those that use the highways, like the Okada riders and every other persons. Then the next thing we'll look at is respect for national symbols. Respect for national symbols. Number one, stand at attention. Whenever national anthem is being recited, you stand at attention. See the way I'm standing. You don't move your body. Then the second one is standing up when the national anthem is sung. You stand up, you don't sit down. Whenever they are singing the national anthem, you do what? You stand up. Saluting the national flag. You salute the national flag. Then, according respect to traditional leaders, you respect your pastors. According respect to traditional leaders. Then the last one is handling naira with care. Some children used to fold the money like this. No, you don't fold it. No, you handle it with care. Handling naira with care. Then, the difference between national symbols and other symbols. National symbols apply to everybody in the country. It applies to everybody. National symbol apply to everybody in the country. While other symbols apply to some people, some group of people in the country. Not everybody. Not everybody uses road. Some people use road. National symbols are expected to be respected by all. National symbols are to be respected by all because it applies to everybody. Everybody. Everybody should respect national symbols. Other symbols like symbols for highway. It's not everybody that uses highway. Especially children. You hardly see a child going on highways. For drivers and some other adults. We'll be stopping here today. In our next class, we'll continue with civic education. Same station, then of knowledge. Bye.